SATL stock analysis and SATL stock prediction. Is it a buy now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. With Satellogic Incorporated, man, it is great, $4.66, 12% increase. I do have a lot of proof here documenting, you know, so honestly, like, last thing that I'll do is just randomly get involved, and I do have, yeah, a lot of proof here. That was the wrong one. That's a bunch of the videos, but I do have like a video, not video, but like a Discord receipts where I have a lot of them here. So unironically, I'm just looking to double down on this, or like I did before. That was a great success, and that did reach the highs. I'm looking to just double down. The thing that I'll care about the most, if this thing pulls down and shows me some sort of a shift. Other than that, me randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So I'll continue to keep you updated. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.